you guys, it's your girl Emoneyyg Honey, and here I am with my very first YouTube video, and I'm very excited about this. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be doing a glam bag plus unboxing from Ipsy. So here I have the little box. It's not that little, but okay, it's there. So we're going to be experimenting and see what items I received for the month of May. So as you open the box, it has a little note that says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." It's pretty cute, I like that. And then we have a little booklet that says the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it shows you all the items that are in the box. But this is a spoiler, so we're going to throw that away. Alright, so on the inside it looks like this. It has a little protective covering. And we're going to start off by the first item that I see, and that's going to be the Nudies Tinted Blur Stick right here. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, and this is in the shade Light number 3. And this is a shade, if you guys can see. It's a little bit light, but obviously my face is a little bit lighter than my actual wrists or hands, so I can't really judge it on that. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the next item, which is the Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil right here. Okay, I really like the packaging. It's really cute, pink and white. And we have the Go-To Face Hero, and it looks something like this. It has a dropper. I like that the little bottle is glass. Very cute. Little dropper. It smells really good, like herbs. It smells like really healthy for your skin. And I really like, this is really cute. I really like it. This deeply hydrates, revitalizes, soothes and tail dullness and uneven skin tones to buzz off. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the next item, which is this. It's actually the biggest item on here, and it's a palette, an eyeshadow palette. It's the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Cute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. So it has 6 shades according to the packaging. Okay. And we have a mirror on here. And we have 6 shades. I actually swatched these already. I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. I really wanted to see the quality. And we have Champagne Arbor, which is actually my favorite shade on here. This one right here. Because like you can't even see it because it's so pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch that real quick. Yes. Where did it go? Okay, let's try again. Hold up. Let's try one more time. So this is really, really pretty. It's very blinding, actually. I don't know if I want to use that as an eyeshadow or a highlighter because I love to glow. Okay, moving on to the next item. We have this pink pretty packaging right here. It's a Yansa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. 8 Super Blacks Essence. So it has 8 essence into it, and this actually seems to me very natural, just like the face oil. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, I love the packaging. This is really, really pretty. I love it. I like the rose gold. Okay, so this is basically a primer for your face. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Yeah, it's a straightforward primer. It doesn't have a shade or anything. This is for anybody. Yeah, very, very smooth and buttery. just like we like a nice primer, you know. So our foundation application be A1. All right, so we're gonna move on to the last item. And this is actually a high volume and intense curl mascara. Interesting. And again, the packaging is wonderful. I love anything that's metallic. It's really, really pretty. And it's by Maquillage. I believe that's makeup. I know maquillage is like makeup in another language, but I'm not too sure which language. But it does say made in Italy. So I don't know about that. Ooh, and the whole mascara, it's metallic, just like the box. Very, very pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna check the wand, because you know that's an important aspect to a good mascara. Okay, it's in an oval shape. Personally, I don't really like wands like this. I personally prefer the curved ones because I feel like it gets on your eyelashes very, very well. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, and we'll see if I like it or not. It's really, really pretty though. Might keep it as a little decoration on my little makeup vanity. I like. And what I love about this is that they are all full-size products, okay? And there is 5 of them. We have a lot of pretty nice things, nothing repetitive either. You know, we have a face oil, we have a primer that goes right after, mascara, eyeshadow, they go together as well, and then we have the nude stick, which blurs out imperfections. And let's look at the booklet real quick. Where's the booklet? Okay, I remember I threw it somewhere. I forgot where, but I found it. So this tells you all the items that you received and the retail prices of them. So adding everything up, we're looking at about $139 worth in products, and I got this for $25. So that is definitely a steal, and it's an awesome opportunity to help you experiment with new products that you probably haven't heard of, or maybe new products that you have heard of but you're too skeptical to actually purchase them. This is a really, really nice steal. And this is for May 2019. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys subscribe actually to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because I feel like you get your money's worth of product, if not exact, but even more. And I feel like that's a really, really good thing because, you know, like I said, you get to try new products, and it's always nice to do that because you don't know what you might find as your favorite item or not. So anyways, with all this being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close up the video right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, you can go ahead and drop them down below. I'll be gladly to answer them, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.